Hey guys, the OnePlus 6 release date gets even closer, and now one of the popular case maker Elixir also released the design of OnePlus 6 with their cases. As you can see on the screen, the front look of the phone, it looks really great. There's no bezel on the front except notch, which is quite smaller, but front look is really great. And let's take a look at the back side, which is almost same as we saw in leaks. The vertical line dual camera setup and the flash and the fingerprint sensor placed right below the camera lens. And few days ago, OnePlus 6 poster released on Weibo, which shows the front look with the tag "See you soon," but it also shows the DxO Mark logo on the top corner, and it hints that OnePlus 6 will be scored higher on DxO Mark. And today, OnePlus CEO has added fresh camera samples to his Weibo account. The new images that were shot at Stanford, California seem to have snapped using the OnePlus 6. Here are all the photos that have been shared by CEO. These photos reveal that OnePlus 6 can snap detailed and flawless photos in bright conditions. Also, it is capable of capturing impressive shots with bokeh effect. I cannot judge the dark light shots because it's not here, but the daylight shots are really very impressive. And as I told you that these images were shot at Stanford, California, it is speculated that the OnePlus CEO has already landed in the US to prepare for the overseas launch of the OnePlus 6, and its announcement probably happening within the next few weeks. And the rumors suggest that the OnePlus 6 will be went official in China on May 5th, and about a week ago this picture was surrounding internet and many leaksters said that this is a fake. That's why I did not share this picture with you guys. But now rumors said that this picture is confirmed and the upcoming OnePlus 6 will be available in a new color option. And this poster also confirms some of the key specs like 6/8 gigs of RAM and up to 256GB of internal storage. It also confirms the 20+16 megapixel camera configuration, which results I showed you a bit ago, and these images are really very impressive. And this poster further says that the phone will have Dash Charge Volt 2, which is claimed to provide full day's power with just 20 minutes of charging. I don't know the charging speed of 2-volt Dash Charger, but the old Dash Charger of OnePlus 5T and OnePlus 5 is really very good. And previously leaked images of the OnePlus 6 hinted that it may also come in a wood-inspired back panel design. Additionally, OnePlus has also disclosed that it is teaming up with Marvel Studios and is expected to launch an Avengers-themed variant of the OnePlus 6. And lastly, talk about the price. So the base model, also known as 64GB variant, will be priced at $525. A 128GB model will be priced at $605. And the last 256GB model will be priced at $700. So yeah, here are everything you want to know about OnePlus 6. And if you guys enjoyed this video, then give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe for the upcoming daily tech videos, and see you soon.